Welcome to Scientific Computer and Application Setting. Today, I will teach you how to create Microsoft Edge browser profile for different users. Okay, so Microsoft Edge browser is open right before me now. I'm going to click on the top right side of it, of the browser. You can see the accounts that is connected. You can see first account, second account. I'm going to create the third account. So this is how you create it. If you have only one single profile with Edge browser, you click on your profile icon, you set a new profile, personal profile. If you need a different type of profile, you click on this, other profiles, browse as a guest. If you want to browse as a guest, you don't need a profile, you don't need to create any profile. You can click on that. It's going to open a different window. You're going to browse through that. Set up a new work or school profile. This is for students or children. If you want to set a different profile for your child, you're going to go through this. But this time around, I'm going to create a personal profile, just like this first two here. I click on set. In a Microsoft account, you can use it to sign in. If you haven't gotten any, you have to create a new one. So I'm going to click on sign into Synco Data. Okay, let's assume I don't have any. I have to create a new one. So I click new account, create one. Okay, so create an account. I've already got our account name, so I copy it. I paste it here. Next. Okay. If you want it to be outlook.com or Hotmail, I use Outlook. Password. I'm going to copy this password. I paste it here. I would like information, tips, and offer about Microsoft products and services. I don't need this. Next. So this security measure you have to pass through. Press and hold. Okay. Use window hello with your account to easily and securely access apps with your username. You need to set it up with Windows, Hello Face, fingerprint, or PIN. If you already have it set up, it will automatically add it for this account. You may be asked to verify with Windows Hello. Okay. All right. I have my fingerprint already registered, so I use it. Working on Microsoft Edge, the best performing browser on Windows. So you're setting up your browser. Confirm and continue. Confirm and start browsing. Finish. Okay. You have successfully created the fourth, because this is fourth account, Microsoft account, using a single Edge browser. So it is best to use if you have a computer that you have a lot of you in the house. maybe children or brother or sisters or family relations using same computer and browsing on Microsoft Edge, it's best idea to create different profiles for every one of you. So each one that comes to the computer, it has to go to use its own browser that contains the history and all the website has been visiting. So will be a personal to him. So this is the best way to work when you are using a single computer on multiple people. So you create different profiles for everyone. So this is how you create it. And apart from the clicking from here to create, if you click here, set a new profile, a personal profile, you can also click on this dot and come to a setting here, profile. You can see the account that have been created, the profile. So you can click here, add profile, then the same thing. You can go through here, setting. You can also go through the account picture and click on it and set up new personal profile. So this is how you create different multiple profiles on Microsoft Edge. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and share it, please, to other people, to get to other people who need it as well. Thanks so much. Have a good day.